Hey everybody, Tad Stevens, CPEthink.com here. I want to make a quick video on how to search for and what is including in our course in our CPE course for CPAs, accounting for income taxes. So since we're going to do accounting, we're looking in the field of study accounting, we're going to select accounting, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to type in income taxes. And we'll click search. See, we got 21 courses come up, but if we scroll down a little bit, we see accounting for income taxes. We'll click on the title of that course. You can see it is by Professor JK Shem, who has passed away a few years ago, but still has a ton of great material out. He was a professor, an accounting professor in Southern California for many, many years. Authored, I believe, over 50 books, hundreds of CPE courses. This course, however, it's NASBA QAS and NASBA Registry. It is a text-based course and considered technical by NASBA. Quick description: corporations must file income tax returns following the guidelines developed by the IRS. Since GAAP and tax regulations differ in a number of ways, so frequently do pre-tax financial income and taxable income. In consequence, the amount that a company reports as tax expense will differ from the amount of taxes payable to the IRS. This income tax accounting course covers the basic guidelines that companies must follow in reporting income taxes and the disclosure requirements associated with deferred taxes, reviewing some of the concepts and items discussed in ASC 740 income taxes. And if we go down the learning objectives, after completing this course, you should be able to recognize the 4 types of temporary differences and identify how these differences may arise. Identify permanent differences and distinguish between permanent and temporary differences. Recognize the impact of different expenses and investment and how they affect deferred income tax. Identify accounting procedures for a loss carry back and loss carry forward. And the course contents, table of contents, chapter 1 is accounting for income taxes. We'll look at U.S. tax reform 2017 key provisions, tax rates, also deferred tax liability and assets, tax accounting considerations of adopting ASC 606 balance sheet presentation, permanent differences, impaired tax allocation, income statement presentation, carry back, carry forward, in net operating losses, multiple tax jurisdictions, tax credits, tax status changes, investments, combinations, separate financial statements of a subsidiary, convertible debt, quasi-reorganizations, and then we'll have review questions and dividends on restricted stock options, employee stock option ownership plans, ESOPs, property taxes, ASC, FASB or FASB, and difference between GAAP and IFRS, and then more review questions. And then as an appendix, we'll have the Amazon quarterly report. Any questions, let us know at CPEthink.com, or service at CPEthink.com, or just click on the chat bubble down here and leave us a message, and we'll get right back to you. Thanks a lot. Bye.